beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your weekly pick a card reading. What is coming next in your life? This is a charms reading, yes, friends. And in this reading, we will focus on your love life, work, and career, and general life for the next 7 days. It is for this week, for the week of 7 to the 14th of September, but you can watch it anytime, friends. It is still going to resonate and help you out. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot friends. Do subscribe, like, and share. And if you have already done so, thank you so much. Many angel blessings. Join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And if you want to watch more Hindi or Urdu readings, visit our another channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi, friends. The link is in the timestamps. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and let's make our choice. Choice number 1, the owl, this cute owl. Option number 2, this beautiful dog. Option number 3, the snake. It's a cute one. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and skip to your option. You can also watch the entire video. You can also choose more than one pile. That's perfectly fine. So let us see how this week will be. What's coming next for you in your love life, work, and career. I hope you can see the cards. Let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this cute owl. This is your advice card. And these are your oracle messages. Let's see your cards and then we'll go into the charms. Page of Pentacles, the 2 of Pentacles, the 4 of Pentacles. Oh my god, the 8 of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune and the Strength. Oh my god. Pile number 1, what are you going through? Tough times, huh? I see you are going through a tough time, friends, absolutely. And I do feel you have ended a relationship, or you are in the process of ending a relationship, or moving out of your house, or a work situation or career, or you are thinking about an ending in your life. I really feel that you are thinking about an ending, or you want to end things or shift things in your life. I definitely feel you are done somewhere. You are just fed up. I see also that some things are not clear for you. Like there are some confusions, there is some darkness. I feel darkness in the sense like there, owls are active in the night. I think the night owl, as they say. So I feel like things are hidden from you, and you feel like, wow, you are a little lost. You don't know where you are going. You have ended things, or you are in the process of ending things, leaving a work situation, leaving a family, a relationship, a toxic friendship, or leaving some bad habits. But I feel like you don't know where you are going next. You have ended things, but you don't know what's next. I see your focus is mainly on work and finances and self growth. Your focus is on this entire week on that, and it's very interesting because Jupiter will be going direct this week. Congratulations, finally some good news will come, because this has been a heavy year for all of us on earth. And this is because Jupiter's shift will bring us positivity, and this heaviness that you are feeling right now, it will shift when Jupiter shifts at the end. I think around the 14th or 15th of September, this Jupiter is going to go direct, and that's when things will go better for you. I also see it will be a very, very busy week for you. You will be focusing on lot. You will want to overachieve things because your focus is on money, on career, on self. So you want to overachieve things, or you will be very busy in work and day to day life, every work schedule, that whatever you're doing, even if you are a housewife, you'll be busy. You'll be very busy. You may have some guest coming over, or you may have some trips to go, or someone is traveling towards you. So you're busy, busy, busy. And get ready, friends, it's a busy week for you. I also feel that in your work, your workload is going to increase. In your finances also, I do see you starting another job or a side business, or maybe you are learning something which will lead to some extra money for you. So yes, you are busy there also. I feel like you will not feel very social this week. Definitely not. Even if you want to talk to someone, you will be like, you will wait for that person to make the first move. You are not making the first move this week in love, absolutely, because your focus is on yourself, your work, you are watching somebody in love. You are keeping a close eye on that person. I feel it could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person that you are keeping a close watch on, because you have ended a connection with them, or they have ended a connection with you. They are watching you, you are watching them. But I do see, if even if you are single, you are not ready to mingle. No, you want to be this owl, this happy owl on your own self, at least for this week. Your focus is on money, your focus is on career, and also you want to know people, but you want to listen people this week rather than talk, 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 and that's a good thing. I see many people will be messaging you from social media. Maybe someone younger is messaging you, or I see more messages coming for you through social media, through emails, through your um, social media, or WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. I see messages coming in for you, many people who are talking to you, messaging you. But you will you will listen to them instead of trying to make the first move or reveal your options or emotions. You're gonna um, keep your emotions to yourself, I see. I also feel if you are married, you may feel a little unhappy with with the marriage, or with your partner, or with your where you are living. Maybe your neighbors, or maybe your house. You have some house issues. I feel like you are not happy where you are living right now. So you may feel like you need to make a shift, change your city, or change your locality. If nothing else, you want to change something in your routine this week, because you are absolutely done. You are absolutely done. I think maybe this COVID thing is starting to get on your nerves. I feel you are starting to, like, you want some quick changes in your life, and they are coming, friends. Life has been slow for you. It has been slow, it has been stuck, money has been coming slowly, relationships were moving very slowly. So now you are a little fed up. So you want change, and you want instant change. You are like, yeah, I want to change. I do see happy news coming your way and positive changes, things moving forward. Which things will move forward? Your health issues will resolve. Your schedule will get better. You will try to fix your schedule. You will also try to fix your sleeping patterns. You will be working on that. I also feel you will be traveling or getting more out of the house, for a walk or something. I also see you will be decorating your room, buying something to change your look, maybe, or maybe you are coloring your hair to a different. I see some of you doing streaks of purple or red in your hair. So way to go, friends, way to go. That's amazing. Send me your pictures, email me your pictures if you want to. I see that it's going to bring you a exciting vibe. It's going to give you an exciting vibe. And I see positive changes coming at the end or mid of this week, not at the beginning. I see positive changes, money coming your way. Some news is, you are waiting for some news regarding money or career. It is coming. It is absolutely coming. And I do feel that some of you may have to travel for some work, like some exam, some interview, or for some permits issues. You have to travel, you have to, or someone is traveling, like some message is traveling or courier is coming for you. Things are moving forward. I do feel your relationships are extremely strong, so you don't need to worry about them, even though you are very, very stressed about your relationships because you have moved on. Maybe you are single, you're worried about whether you'll find someone. If you are already in a relationship, you are worried, will things get better? Yes, things are going to get better. Your relationships are extremely strong, they are getting stronger. Don't lose hope. I do see you will be focusing. This week your focus will be more on career, finances, education, and improving your life in general rather than on relationships. But your relationships will move positively by the end of this week. I do feel someone from your past wants to return back to you. They will try to message you. They have already messaged you for some. I feel 50% of you already got that message from that person. If not, they will be messaging you this week. But you will. I do not see you accepting that message or replying back to them. You will take your own sweet time. You are in no rush. You are like, yay, I wanna see everything and then I'll decide. You're gonna take your own sweet time. And I do see this is a very spiritual connection. Maybe they are your husband, your wife, your ex-husband or wife, your twin flame. This relationship is strong and it will move forward, but I see it moving forward by the end of this week, not in this week. Sorry for that, but it's the energy. Let's see your extra cards. Building block number 28. So yes, your focus will be on making your life better, making your finances better, making your career better. If you are a student, you want to build a strong foundation for your future. You want to learn something. I do see you learning 2 new things this week. And co-create number 40. Yes, and again there is an owl, and look at this, there is an owl. I just realized there is an owl on my finger ring also. There are 3 owls here, 1, 2 and 3. Now imagine that. Wow, that's interesting and super powerful. I do see that you should keep your eyes open because your intuition is going to be super spot on. Also, doing health issues, you will find some. I feel like you're looking for an answer. I don't know what is, whatever you are looking for, you are going to find it, friends. You need to keep your eyes open. You are going to find people who can create with you. Maybe it's a relationship or maybe it is at work, partnerships, business partnerships. You are going to find it. Also, your focus is on manifesting. So you are manifesting a lot of things. Yes, friends, yes. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look into the charms. I do see that some of you are feeling a little scared and that like life is slow. I think you are a leopard, so don't leopards are very fast. They are the fastest, I feel, in running. They are like the bolt. They are very quick, they are very fast. So things are going to change like this, like the leopards run suddenly. Things are slow now, but they're gonna be fast ahead. Let's see your advice. What do you need to release, waxing moon? Yes, there are certain things you need to release. Maybe a past heartache, you need to let go of it. Maybe a bad relationship, or maybe some financial worries you are having or doubts you are having. You need to let go of it. Some negative self-judgments, let it go. Bye-bye. Don't let your past hold you back. The South Node, and look at this, you have the Wheel of Fortune. My God, friends, absolutely, this is a major week for you. So South Node is, my God, how do I explain astrology here? I think you all will get bored. So don't let your past hold you back is like, I think some things were a test in your past. Something was a test. Maybe your job, your career, your partnership tested you, but it was something that had to happen. Now let it go and move forward because better things are coming. Maybe you can save the relationship by letting go of the past judgments. For some of you, I see a new person coming in. It was a lesson for you. You had to go through it. Some of you are like, why we had to go through this ending, why we had to leave that job, why God is unfair to us, why life is tough for us. Because, friends, sometimes we need to learn. We are here on earth to learn, to grow, to resolve, to shine brighter. That's our job. Let's see your charms. I see you're gonna enjoy this week, seriously, because your focus is so much on work, on money. You'll be busy, busy. So pile number one, how this week will be. Wow, you have, look, the one, number one is like a new beginning stuck in H. H also reminds me of happy, happy. So stay happy, friends. And this is number one, so it might be important for you. Let's first keep them. I'll just separate the charms so I can explain them more quickly. So your alphabets are D, N, H, S, I, and D, A. So wow, DNA. So maybe some of you are going to study, biology, or maybe you are connecting with your spirituality, yoga. Maybe you are meditating, or you are, something is in your DNA. I feel like some skill, some hidden gift is for you. You should start working on it, because this is your week to start working on something new. You can make more words out of it. Maybe Sid is a name that's important, or I don't know, Annie. Annie is there. There is also Nis. Maybe that's the name. So DHDANIS is important. You also have the number 1 here and the number 25. So someone, these could be dates or ages of people around you. We also have pineapple. Pineapple is about, it's about health, first of all, like making your health a priority, leaving the bad. I also feel it is about reconciliation, some sweet memories, happy memories. Keep the happy memories of the past and let go of the bad ones. I know it's tough, but at least we can try, all of us. And also, someone from your past is thinking about you. I'm a stupid baby. Oh my God. See, someone is like, see, I had been so stupid. Can you forgive me now? Maybe it is you also a little harsh on yourself. You are also feeling like, oh, we were so stupid in the past. Why we were so stupid? Why we were so immature? Why we did this? Why we did that? Let it go, friends. We all make mistakes. No harm in trying. If we don't try, then we have a problem. We also have the Three of Hearts. Definitely new friendships or more friendships are coming your way. I also feel some of you are dealing with a third party situation, so it will be resolved, or you will find some healing in that area. There is also teacup. This is coming a lot. This charm is coming a lot. So teacup, this teapot is about things brewing for you. Things have started. This is your week to work. Things are working. Things are already started for you. So keep working hard. Like a page of pentacles. Keep working hard. You have the wheel of fortune. Things have started moving. We also have the ship. So I do feel traveling or long distance areas are important, like another country, another city, or waiting for news from there regarding job, work, or education. Or someone from long distance is important. Someone from army, navy is important. Attachment, see, the pin is here. You are definitely attached to someone, and someone is very attached to you. They want to offer you this love. This pink hat is about sweet love, sweet innocent love. So someone wants to offer you friendship or love, and flower is like a gift coming your way. Someone wants to send you a gift, or they want to compliment you. I also feel you may buy some flowers this week, because I do see you buying something for yourself, maybe, I told you, maybe a new hairstyle or something. And this is the Dear. Look at this. Dear is about innocence. I do feel you are very sensitive this week. You are feeling all the energies of the world. No wonder you feel antisocial or not ready for love or too much of people this week, because you have the Dear. Keep your innocence, friends. You were innocent, and some beautiful innocent people are coming your way. Red is important. Red is your color this week. December, yes, December is important. And tiger, see, I talked about the leopard, and the tiger is here. Believe in yourself, friends. You are mighty, you are the tiger. Some things will get better for you also. Seven of coins. You are waiting for some news. I told you, friends, you are waiting for some messages at work or in love, I feel, or in education. You are waiting for some messages, so it's coming your way. That wait won't be long. Venus is about seeing the beauty, feeling happy, feeling artistic, feeling creative. And you also have the Iron, so focus, you'll be busy making, fixing everything in your life. You want major fixes in your life. And this bead, it is like, some information. I see your notification bells, clicking, messages coming your way, tick, 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 tick. So yes, people are going to message you, and it's a great week for you, friends. A very, very happy week. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Let me know if it resonated. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends, if you haven't already. Subscribe our channel if you enjoyed this reading. Like our video, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful dog, this cute happy puppy, let's see what's coming next for you in love, work and career. This is a charms reading for the week of 7 to the 14th of September. These are your advice, these are your oracle messages. Let's see, I'll be pulling the charms at the end, in the end of this reading. Wow, High Priestess, interesting. The Knight of Rods, interesting. Ooh, Emperor. Ten of Swords, the Hierophant. Oh my god, friends, what are you doing? The Ace of Cups and the Ten of Cups. Oh my god. Oh my god, friends, this is a strong energy for all of you. Oh my god. I feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this week, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person this week, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important for you, friends. So which signs? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, friends, a lot of people are important for you. I feel, friends, you are a little... I feel, friends, you are absolutely fed up of a situation. Seriously, I mean, this is... Fed up is an understatement. You are at the, you want to change a situation. You have completely... I think a situation is really hurting you. There are a lot of responsibilities on you right now, a lot of worries on your mind. It is like you feel so much of pressure. I just can't even breathe right now. There is a lot of pressure on you. Maybe you are a student, so maybe I don't know, whatever your age, I feel you have people are expecting a lot from you, and it feels like you are burdened with their expectations. Maybe at your job, people over expect from you. Maybe in your family, people are over expecting, over demanding from you. You are giving and giving and giving. Maybe at your work also, you are working 24/7. So you are giving, 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 and you are completely done giving. You are just spent. I do feel, friends, this is a week you may feel a little tired or little anxious, because there is too much on your mind, too much responsibilities or worries. Maybe you start the week feeling, oh my god, will this world situation ever change? Will my worries ever resolve? Will this my situation in life ever change? So you have a lot of things on your mind. But I do feel things are going to change for you, especially in love. A proposal is coming your way. A new person or a new friendship could be coming your way. You will feel a sense of hope, a sense of relief in your life. Definitely. I also feel if this is not a new love connection, there will be people who will be coming to help you out. So you are going to feel happy or supported. Someone is going to offer you help or support or love or friendship, and you're gonna feel happy, like, oh my god, finally something good is happening. I also feel, friends, like some of you are dealing with a very strong person. They are very egoistic at the moment. I feel it could be a lover, a twin flame, or someone you are married with, a husband or a wife. Someone is behaving very arrogantly, someone is behaving very pridefully, very egoistically, and you are very loyal to them or to your people, your family, your loved ones. So you are facing a lot of problems because of this person's ego, or this person's control, or this person's refusal to change themselves. You are feeling pressurized or unhappy or stressed because of this person. But I do feel, friends, relief is going to come. I feel that someone else is going to help you out. It could be a younger person, maybe a friend, a lover, or maybe someone else, a stranger can help you. Maybe our channel can help you. Someone is going to give you some insight or something that will change your perspective about things. I do see someone, if you are single, and this person was in your past, this egoistic person, inflexible person, you are going to meet a new person. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, they are someone completely different. They are someone who is very warm, they are loving, they are nurturing, they are supportive, and also they are ready to work with you and support you. So this person is completely different from whatever you have experienced in the past. I also feel this person could start, or this relationship will start as friendship or as co-workers, or just something like, you have similar hobbies, so you talk about that, books, music, or something. Yeah, you are facing similar issues in life, so you are talking about that. I do feel some of you are going to face, or you will be facing, some issues with your family members, whether you are single or married. Someone in your family is trying to really challenge you. I'm sorry, I'm telling you this because you need to protect yourself, friends. Someone will try, maybe your father, maybe a husband, maybe a wife, maybe your in-laws. Someone is trying to make you upset, make you angry. There is a difference of generations here, difference of opinions here. I also feel like, this person, I feel maybe there is a difference. Your paths are different, spiritually your paths are different. That is why there is this confusion going on. There is this, they want to change you, and I think you are being true and honest to yourself. I would say, friends, if you are facing issues with your family members, or with the person you love, or with a husband or a wife, I would say take a traditional approach, and maintain some distance with that person, because I do not see that. Focus on the new things in life. Be true to yourself, and don't indulge or don't involve in arguments, conflicts, or ego issues. Someone will try to make you angry. It could also be a boss or a colleague. Someone will question you. Why are you this person? Why you follow this? Why you like that? Someone is going to question you because you are being true to yourself. You are being honest. You are very loyal. You are happy, and they don't like it. They feel challenged by your views, so they will question you. But I do see that there is support for you. There is a spirit and God and angels and the universe watching over you. You are extremely protected, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Whether it is at your work or in family or in marriage, you are extremely protected. Do what is right for you and do not doubt yourself. I also feel, friends, you will find people who can help you out there, and you need to accept their help because, you deserve this happy family, you deserve this happiness, and it's right there. It's coming for you in this week. So accept the new offers of love or friendship or support coming your way, and try and accept it. I also feel if you are in work, regarding your work and career, I do see some, some your workload will be very high. You will be working a lot, and you will have to follow your intuition absolutely in your work and education. I do see some reward or some degree being written for you. Some award is coming for you because there is this card. I feel there is an award coming for you, or something, some certification is being done on your name, or you are clearing a university exams, you are getting your first paycheck, something like that. So for that, you need to stay open and focus on the new things, friends, in your work and career. Don't focus on the traditional things. Don't focus on people who are not following your path. uh, Build your own path, friends. Focus on your life. There is no point. I do see some opposition this week, friends. We will clarify with the charms, but follow your intuition. Learn something new. Stand in your power. Know that God and angels are watching you. Love is there. A happy family is coming for you. You won't always have this struggle, these endings, these pressures. Happy, happy, number 26. Yes, you are extremely blessed, friends. You are really blessed, and some happy moments are coming your way. I know you deserve it because you are feeling so stressed, so fed up of this life or the worries around you. Truths be told, someone has not told their feelings to you. Maybe a secret admirer, someone you work with or study with, or someone online. They know you, they see you. So someone wants to share their feelings with you, and make this offer of friendship or love. So yes, good things are coming your way, friends. Let's see the advice for you. Step out of your comfort zone, North Node. Yes, focus on these new starts. Don't let the past or these people who are not, don't let anyone hold you back, friends. Step out of your comfort zone. Some of you may have to maybe leaving your colleges. Some of you may be start entering colleges. Some of you are ending a tradition, starting fresh. Some of you are ending a toxic relationship, maybe with family members or someone, or with a husband or a wife, or you are putting some distance between them. Step out of your comfort zone. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Look at this, 10 of Swords. Yes, tough things are ending for you. Congratulations. You are very blessed, pile number 2, and you are very loyal. You had been very loyal to something you believe in. I think there, maybe you are a student and your family doesn't support what you want to do in future, or maybe you are a woman and you are not finding support. So you are very blessed this week. Do what is right for you, friends. And this is 2020, so if anything can happen, you can do whatever you like also, or do things that you make you happy. So don't doubt yourself. Option number 2. How this week will be for option number 2. Oh my god. I dropped a few charms. Let's see. Again, see, number 1 is stuck in R. Wow, that's interesting. So R might be important and a new start is coming. See, let's see. The R is here and there is 1. And wow, there is another letter, number 26, stuck in S. Wow, so that might be important for some of you. So let's see. And let me just straighten them. Oh, sorry, friends. Wow. So your letters are A, R, O, F, O, J, I, S. So those are your letters. They may be important as names, surnames, or maybe your name or someone else's name. Let's see if you can make some words out of it. I don't know. Maybe Joe is a name for someone. Joe, Fo, Fu. Maybe Fu is a name for someone. Maybe Raj is a name for somebody, Raj. You let me know what words you come out with. I leave it to you. The numbers are number 1, number 26, and hello, I'm yours. Yes, someone wants to propose you, someone wants to offer you friendship, love, commitment. And there is this tree of life. So family situations are important to you. What is family? What is your higher purpose? Why you know where you are meant to go? Those things are on your mind. A twin flame is also important. There is also this teapot. I feel this is about, this is again about happy friendships, something happy coming your way, and some sort of a celebration also coming your way, or friends get-togethers coming your way, meeting friends, having a good time with them. You also have this lucky boot. Yes, friends, you are going to be lucky, and don't doubt yourself. You are already very blessed, so stay positive. And again, you have the ship charm. I do feel, friends, like you feel your destination. You feel like your goals are very far away, like something you want to achieve, but you feel like you will never be able to achieve it. Like you want fame, you feel you will not achieve it. You want that, research degree, that PhD, that exam to be cleared, that book to be published. You feel it's out of reach for you, but it's not, friends. You can achieve anything, you can go the distance. I also feel there is a red flower, so I do feel someone has secret feelings for you and they will show it to you this week. There is also a red slipper. Wow, friends, I do feel you need to, start walking, get out of your comfort zone, do things which are best for you, you enjoy. I think you are thinking. So the thing is, pile number 2, I feel you are like this happy dog which loves everyone unconditionally. But this week, put yourself forward and give yourself some extra love and care. Buy yourself something nice, probably. Or, this slipper is like you keeping yourself first. There is also this parrot. See the beauty in life. I do feel gossip around you. People are talking about you because you are successful, you are powerful, and people are talking about you. You may feel upset about it, but you can also see it in that way that you are popular. And there is this tiger. Look at this with the star. This is the your star is shining. You have a great destiny, friends, and you have a strong life purpose. You need to believe in it. And Ganesha, you are going to be successful in whatever new you start or whatever you're working on right now. It will be successful for you. And Neptune, yes, you do feel a little confused about your life, your purpose of life, or some situation. Two of Coins, you are going to be busy, friends, very, very busy. Six of Wands, success is coming your way, friends. I told you, some reward, some award, some promotion. Eight of Coins, yes, you are working very hard, very busy week. Mars, see, take charge. Red, red, red. See, all your charms are also red. Mars is the red energy, and Mars is going retrograde this week, friends. I forgot, so I remembered just now. Mars will be going retrograde. I forgot which planet. Aries, I think. Um, Yes, it's going retrograde, friends. So maybe that's why you're feeling so much opposition with people around you, because you want to charge in life and people will be pulling you. So you need to get out of your comfort zone. So Mars in retrograde is how you can use your passion, how you can use your power. more better ways, in better ways, King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important. Color blue is also important. Blue is also about knowledge. Seven of coins is um, you waiting for something and it's coming your way. You are waiting for something. Three of Wands, yes, things are going to move forward. Some long news from long distance is coming. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is again important for you. Prince of Cups and Dolphins. Yes, friends, stay happy. This is your week to stay happy. Even I think you should try everything to stay happy because, this is a positive week for you and an extremely powerful week for you. So that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. And if this reading resonated with you, let me know in the comment section. To buy a personal reading, visit our website, join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. Friends, for those who chose option number 3, the beautiful cute snake, let's see how what's coming next for you. Let's see that. These are your advice cards. These are your oracle messages. This is a charms reading. I will be pulling your charms shortly. Let's see. Wow, 7 of Cups, the 2 of Swords, Justice, the Empress, King of Cups, the 9 of Cups. Wow, friends, this is amazing. This is beautiful. This is a happy, happy week for you, friends. Some wishes are going to come true for you, and some sort of a happiness or some sort of a satisfaction is going to come your way. You're gonna feel like, yay, finally, life is okay, I'm happy, life is good, something nice has happened. You have your, I think, some good blessings, some good deeds, your good karma will come back to you. So I do feel, some past, you have done your work in the past, but the reward has not yet arrived to you or it has not yet reached you. But this week it's going to return back to you some good justice, some happiness, and you're gonna feel very excited about it. I do feel that I do feel you start the week feeling a little confused, like you don't know what you need to focus on, you don't know about where your life is going, you don't know what you should do in life or in this week. You have too much thoughts, or you are just a little bored this week. Some sort of an indecision is also affecting you this week, like you need to make a decision, but you don't know which way to go, which way not to go. Should you take that job? Should you leave that job? Should you change your place? Should you not change your place? Should you accept that person or not? Should you stay in that relationship or not? Some confusion is going in your mind. There is a decision that you are confused about. I do feel in your love life you will be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, a very strong Scorpio person or Cancer or Pisces person. You are dealing with this person or will be dealing with this person. I feel this person has been in double minds about you or this connection. This person has been keeping you waiting, and they were one day, they had mixed feelings about you. Like one day they were coming into your life, then on weekends they are like, I don't know, I'm not too sure about it. But I do feel some sort of a change or justice or some sort of a balancing is going to happen in this connection, and it will be in a way that will make you happy, that will bring you relief and hope. I also feel if someone has hurted you in the past, someone didn't choose you, they chose some other person, put you in a third party, made you waiting. I feel that person, you will have that karma, or they will have some bad karma, or I don't know how to say this. Some sort of a justice will be done in that situation, and your good luck is you will be able to view it and watch it. Maybe this person will return back and apologize, or maybe this person will post something on their social media that they still miss you, or maybe in a hidden way, but yes, they will post something or share something, or there is something that will balance things. Someone has hurted you, some justice will be done in that situation. I also feel you will feel very creative this week. You will feel very strongly creative, very protective about the people you love. If someone shares your best friend this week, no, nah, 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 don't do that. Anyone who is trying to steal your best friend, no, they should not come close. You are very possessive about your loved ones, especially if you are a mother. I see you extremely possessive about your kids, your children, and you being in your power. And if you are a woman, married, I think you want to expand your family, start your family, have a baby. And yes, I do feel you will be lucky there this week. Chances of fertility are high. I also feel that this week I see that you will be sitting more, not like in the mood to walk or jog. You'll be sitting, you'll be meditating, you'll be working all day. I see you working in front of your laptops, computers, or mobile screens. So you will be sitting, your creativity will be super high. You will be doing a lot of work, achieving a lot of work. And I do feel that you might be cooking also, or learning some new recipes, or trying some new projects or something. You are very interested in doing something new this week. I also feel if you are dealing with legal issues, success will come your way, some relief, some justice will happen. Maybe you are waiting for justice in the world situation. See, I do talk about world situations. Many of you were like, you don't talk about world situations. I do, friends. I do it in a sneaky way. I do it in these readings only. Sometimes, if I get the messages. So, yes, some sort of a justice is going to happen. Maybe you are waiting for it in the world situations. Yes, it's coming. Maybe in your personal life. Yes, it will happen. I also feel that at your work, you are very, some confusions are there at your work. You are a little confused regarding your work. Should you change? Should you not? If you have no job, you are confused how you will find a job. I would suggest that you start meeting or talking to people. There are people who can help you out this week in finding a job, or maybe they are already having a business. You can join them. So there is a lot of people who can help you out, especially people who are mature than you. So look for them and ask them to help you out. I also feel that at your work you will have to be very bold, especially in your interviews, also in your exams. You will have to be bold, you will have to be strong, because some people may challenge you. So you will have to be a little stronger and bolder and aggressive and very clear in your interviews, in your job, in your work, in your education this week. Don't be too lovey lovey, don't be too cutie cutie, that might backfire. You have to be like this snake. I don't know why. I do feel you are dealing with some snakes or in the past. Sorry. Sorry it came out like that, but I do feel there were some people, especially at your work, there may be some snakes around. Like people who do not, who show they are your friends, but they are not really your friends. Uh, no judgment, friends, because you see, we learn more from our enemies than we learn from our friends. We grow more with our friends, but we learn more from our enemies also. So there may be someone who is not at your work, who is not best for you. So you need to be bold there. You need to be bold, and you need to speak up at your work. If you are a student, I would suggest you to stay careful, because you may be confused about a person or a friendship or a loved one. You may be confused whether they are loyal, disloyal, trustworthy, not worthy. Yes, if you are having a doubt, there may be some reason for it. So keep your eyes open. There are people who are not telling you the truth. So keep your eyes open, friends, this week. Don't be all. I feel you are givers, you are very nurturing and caring. So someone can just, someone wants your everything, but they may not offer you everything back. So careful. Oh, the loyal heart in reverse, number 35. See, You definitely are not sure about a person. Someone wants to offer you love, friendship, someone wants to help you out, maybe someone wants to offer you quick money. Don't take it, friends, don't take the bait. I do feel you have some trust issues this week, so stay careful. Someone may not be having your best interest, and it's my job to warn you beforehand. I do feel someone who has broken your heart or your trust will be returning back, but you will have a tough time trusting that person. Treasure Island, yes, you are focused on yourself, your career, your business, your life, your new people. You don't want anyone from your past, even though things are moving slowly, but you know you are moving ahead. Someone from a past is coming, someone who has broken your trust. They will come back and sweet talk to you. They might even offer you some sweets, or they might offer you this celebration. Take the celebrations, but don't take the trust. You know what I mean, right? Don't trust them. Or just keep your eyes open, because I do feel some strange sneaky energies. Let's see the go the distance, number 47. Yes, friends, you are going for the long future, long term plans, long term future. This is your week to really make a shift in your life, start something new. And I do feel you are confused about a decision, but clarity will come and you will be able to move forward. Let's see your advice. It is time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Yes, friends, there are some issues around some past person, past relationships. You need to release those judgments on negativity. A personal issue reaches resolution. So, yeah, someone from your past may return back and try to heal things. See how it goes. If they are really trustworthy, take them. If not, if you feel they are not, still dicey, don't. Give them time then. Let's see. Pile number 3. How this week will be. What's coming next for pile number 3? Oh, I dropped one charm. And it's a fish. I don't know. It's a dolphin. Yes, it's a dolphin. Let's see. Let's see your first alphabets. Wow, the teapot has come in every reading today. This charm has come in all the readings. DMO. Wow. That's also PMO. And wow, you are interesting letters. Maybe talk, TikTok. Maybe time is important for you. TikTok. Time, you feel like time is running out. Maybe you want to be, have family, have kids. You feel time is running out. Maybe you want to get married. You feel time is running out. You wasted time with someone else. They didn't do you right. You are unhappy. I do feel you have time, friends. Don't worry about it. God is watching over you. So your alphabets are P, M, T, D, J, T, O, K. So I don't know if you can make any word out of it. I can only see talk here. Maybe, so talk, TikTok is important. Like time, clock, TikTok. Family, yes. I do feel this is about you building your future. Your focus is on your future. You are a little confused regarding your future, but I see you getting clarity about your future this week. Number 7 is important for you. No, that's the only number you have, number 7. So maybe something happened in July that will be resolved for you. Health issues will get better for you. Maybe some of you are worried about your mother's health, father's health, or maybe your pet health. Their health is you're worried about it. They are going to be healed, friends. Don't worry about it. Apple is also about healing. Apple is also about feeling fresh, feeling vibrant, and saying yes to new things in life. And this pot is about celebrations, happy celebrations, reunions, get-togethers. Maybe you will have a party or some college friends meeting, some school meeting happening. So it will happen. I do feel like you want to build a home or have your own home, or you want to buy a home, or maybe you want to have more financial security. stability. Yes, it will happen for you, friends, absolutely. This is the, like, you feeling a little powerless, you feeling a little powerless. This is like you feel you are so small. What can you do in a situation? Can you change your goal? I mean, like, can you change your life? Yes, go the distance. You can. You are very powerful. You also have the Holy Cross. So you are absolutely destined for success, friends. Look at this, the Holy Cross. You are destined for success, and something holy will manifest, or something destined is going to happen for you. Money is coming your way, and this is 50 pence, and it has the queen, it has the warrior here offering, I don't know, a rose or something to somebody. So definitely some sort of a proposal may be coming your way. Money is also coming your way. This bead is about, you focusing on your creativity. This is the heart. I do feel someone, the loyal heart, someone has broken your heart. They want to fix it. And stars, wishes coming true. Yes, wishes coming true. Your star is shining, or is about to shine. Again, this nest is here. You don't want a home. You want this happy nest with someone you love. You want your cozy family. It will happen, friends. Don't lose hope. And you also have this small heart. So definitely someone may have broken your trust, but someone can give you something much more better. So stay open. Leaf, let go of some issues. There is this leaf, there is this dolphin. So dolphin is about happiness, feeling happy, focusing on love. Dragonflies, positive changes are coming. And some of you may get pets like fishes or something also. And the rose is here. Yes, friends, rose is also about love. Rose is about beauty, purification. That's beautiful. Let's see your extra cards. Neptune, confusion. Yes, you have confusions, friends. Something is confusing you. Four of coins, money. Yeah, money issues are there. You are feeling like, when will you get money? When will you have that rich bank balance? January is also important. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Mars is important. Yes, Mars will be going retrograde, and it's coming in your reading, friends. So definitely some issue will reach a conclusion, and something will be released. Some negativity will be released, and you will be able to move forward. Transformations. Fated. Yes, you are fated. You are destined for success. Cows. Cows are about healing, motherly nature, nurturing. You also have the Empress. Keep your faith. Don't lose hope. Keep your faith. Your hard work. Cows are also about your good luck. Cows are about whatever you have done, you will reap. Success will come. Fight. Peace. Spirituality. Eight of Ears. Yeah, you do feel something stressed or worried about some person. Can you trust them? Can you not trust them? Or some situation? Cycles, yes, you are going to shift a cycle, friends. Look at this. A personal issue reaches a resolution. You also have justice. So definitely things are going to shift for you, because you have the snake. Major transformations happening in all areas of your life, and I wish you a happy week. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends. If you enjoyed this reading, like the video. If you enjoyed the charms today, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.